Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video would tell you about the job opportunities for testers, for freshers as well as for experience. So these are the job opportunities, and before we go ahead, we would request you to like, share and subscribe our channel because this all kind of information are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opportunity is for a manual tester. Location is Indore. Experience is 0 to 1 year. So freshers with good knowledge can apply. And the responsibilities are of test planning, test case preparation, test execution, identify, record, and track bugs, issues. And they are looking for someone who is having strong knowledge of SDLC and SDLC, hands-on experience in writing test cases, test scenarios, and bug reports, knowledge of defect tracking tools, good understanding of web mobile application testing, and interested candidates can share their resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement at IG Group. So they are looking for freshers and someone who has BE, BTech in CS, IT, ECE, Triple E with minimum CGPA of 8.0 and academic excellence of 80% plus in 10th and 12th board exams. So you can apply. Then Infosys is hiring for system engineers for the 2024 and 2025 batch. So if you're a graduate from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MCA, MSc, then this is your good chance. Eligibility is 2024 and 2025 batch graduates, and the location is across India. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, manual plus automation. Location is Noida. Experience is 2+ years. So if you're passionate about testing and product quality, then you can apply to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for business analyst QA. Offshore, it is Bangalore or Trivandrum, and on-site, it is Middle East country. Minimum experience required is 6+ years, and they are looking for someone who is a QA specialist with a strong background in supply chain processes and products and a solid understanding of banking operations. So, interested candidates, please share your resumes to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA lead, and the location is on-site Ahmedabad. Experience is 5 to 7 years, and the skill set required is manual testing, mobile application testing. So you can send your resume to this email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this number. Then ThoughtWorks is hiring for QA roles, experience 5 to 8 years, and the location is Hyderabad. Email address is also given, and you need to share your CV with the subject QA experience and Hyderabad. Skills needed are Selenium, Rest Assured, API testing, CI/CD, Git. Notice period is up to 60 days. So work mode is hybrid, work from office, and they are looking for someone who is having expertise in manual and automation testing, strong programming skills in Java, hands-on experience in building test frameworks from scratch, proficiency in API automation testing, exposure to mobile testing. Then there's a requirement for QA engineers with hyperlink infosystem. So they are looking with someone with 1 to 1.5 years of experience. And what you will be doing is you will be testing mobile apps, Android and iOS and web applications, creating and executing test cases, plans and scenarios. And they are looking for strong knowledge of SDLC and STLC. Bonus would be API testing. And location is Ahmedabad. You can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA. It's the location is Noida, Sector 62, Noida, UP, and working days would be Monday to Friday. And notice period is immediate to 15 to 30 days. And these are the skill set that they are looking for. So these are the job opportunities. And last but not the least, I would also like to share one more job opportunity, which is of QA automation engineer, playwright. Location is Noida, Gurugram, and Hyderabad. Experience required is 3+ years. So mandatory skill set again. Here, 3+ years in automation testing, experience with CI/CD pipelines, expertise in Playwright, proficiency in Jenkins and GitHub. So if you are passionate about automation, you can share your updated CV at this particular email address, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.